Hello everyone, my name is Ana Maria Mihai. I'm a gynecologist from Romania, Bucharest. And today is my last day from the one-year fellowship in Cosmetic Gynaecology, and I want to share my experience with you. I first met Dr. Prabhu 3 years ago, but only through online webinars and presentations and conferences. Made me think more about this new field in Romania of aesthetic gynecology, regenerative medicine, that in our country it's only at the beginning of development, and at the moment it needs a lot of awareness for the women to understand that it's not all about beauty, it's not all about sexual dysfunction, but also it is about functional diseases like urinary incontinence or infertility and other pathologies. So I was very curious to learn about it, and I think that there is a demand from our patients to get skilled in that field so we can help more. We had the hands-on practice, which has been great. We got to see and do a lot of procedures like laser, CO2, fillers, bone marrow, aspirate, fat grafting, and so on. It was really great. Also, the cultural experience, meeting new friends, everyone here with their own energy and their own experiences. We shared from each corner of the world and our own experiences. It was great. So I invite you all, if you're interested in this field, to come and learn more about it. And I wish you good luck with that. I can assure you that the experience will be great because of Dr. Prabhu Mishra, who is organizing this perfectly, along with Dr. Nidhi and Dr. Poonam. I recommend you to try it. Thank you.